am Sister Marina, a religious sister belonging to the congregation of the Sisters of Saint Joseph of Chambéry, an international congregation of women to serve humanity. I believe that I need God's blessings and the blessings of the downtrodden people of our society to live a meaningful and fruitful life. That's how I associated myself with the prison ministry for last 5 years. I am a full-fledged nurse with a long years of experience in cardio-critical care nursing. I am also trained in Western music from Trinity College of London and have done my advanced level grade in electronic keyboard from London College of Music. At present, I work as directress of St. Cecilia's School of Music in Pune, affiliated with Trinity College of London. I have a lot of pastoral work experience in the countries like France and Africa. I authentically follow the principles, vision and mission of PMI Unit Pune under the guidance of Father Wilfred Fernandez. I organize many charity concerts in association with PMI Pune to raise funds for the education of prisoners and their children, in particular the girl child. My congregation also contributes towards this ministry in educating the girl child of the prisoner. I also offer financial help to the released prisoners to reintegrate them in the society. I regularly visit the open jail and remand homes in Pune and occasionally the central jail. I take care of the liturgy of Pune PMI and organize intercessory prayers once in a week for the success of the ministry. I am passionate regarding this ministry and very happy and satisfied. I believe my presence can bring happiness and change in the lives of the people I am serving. If God inspires you, you can join this ministry and contribute. Thanks and may God bless you all.
This is Pramod Paradhi, Parishioner of Divine Mercy Parish, Vadgaon Sheri. I am associated with Prison Ministry of India last 6 to 7 years. I have experience in hospital industry as a public domain, public relation since 25 years. I also involved in many social and political issues. I also belong to a party called Shiv Sena last 20 years. I am working actively in the parish as well as different associate like St. Vincent de Paul, Prayer Group, PPC, organizing rallies. I also work for the prison ministry under the guidance of Father Wilfred Fernandez. He is a dynamic. We have organized many medical checkup camp, scheme camp for the prisoners. We also visited orphanage, children's. We organized a game for them under the supervision of Miss Sofia Almeida and her team. I really thank all my colleagues who's associated with in Prison Ministry of India. Especially they are working hard. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Letty Mollin from St. Patrick's Cathedral and have been associated with the prison ministry since its inception in Pune, and also the president of the Legion of Mary. I'm also a member of the Brave Hearts group of our parish. I carry 32 years of service as a registered nurse. as chief matron in the Indian Railways. And hence, currently in my retirement journey, it gives me pleasure to volunteer my professional service to our society by being part of the prison ministry group, especially for medical camps and contributions to raise funds to PMI. Thank you.
Hi, good evening, brothers. I am Lily John Rajmani. I stay in Kondwa. I am from Our Lady of Lourdes Parish. I am member of PMI past for 7 years. I am area leaders of Our Lady of Lourdes Parish and parish council member, Vincent de Paul member as a vice president. My profession is fashion designer. I help PMI by raising fund for prisoners' brothers. I even go to visit gents and ladies prisoners. I have gone to visit remand house on 14th of November. I had volunteered in marathon race. I attended the seminar for 3 days at Tadiwala Road. We have gone to Nagar to tie the Rakhi for prisoners' brothers. We visited open jail. On Monty Thursday, Father Wilfred washed the feet of prisoners' brothers. We all went with Father Wilfred. I like to do social work. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Rosalind Bella Fernandez, an active parish council member of St. Patrick's Cathedral. I was introduced to Prison Ministry India 7 years back. Under the guidance of Father Wilfred, I conduct medical camps like skin, eye camps and general checkups for the inmates. In addition to this, I assist in the canteen to raise funds for this cause. I also participate in the intercessory prayer to pray for the inmates and their families. Thank you.
Hi, this is Patricia Reddy and I'm from St. Patrick's Cathedral and I'm with PMI since the last 5 years. I work with WNS. My hobbies are traveling, reading, photography. I especially like books relating to law and psychology. I use my skill of photography to capture the wonderful moments for PMI. Those are the seminars, the events, and these are really wonderful memories for us. And I also love that we can learn from each other, and it's good being a part of
Dear
PMI.
friends, I'm Daryl. I'm based in Bangalore. 2.5 years ago, Father Wilfred contacted me and asked me if I could help out with the social media for the PMI half marathon, the PMI half marathon, inaugural marathon. Since that day, I am involved with the social media presence for PMI Pune. I create creatives and videos, etc., which we post on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.